The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Woodford County, northeastern Tazewell County, until 10 a.m. At 9:18 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Washington, or near Eureka, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Eureka and Metamora around 9:25 a.m. Roanoke around 9:30 a.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Sycamore and El Paso. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 15 and 27.